From the year 2100, humanity embarks on a transformative journey, entering the era known as the Age of Technological Integration. During this time, cities become advanced ecosystems, integrating nature with technology, as humans begin to rely heavily on artificial intelligence for daily activities. Between 2100 and 2200, the urban landscape evolves dramatically, with transportation systems achieving unprecedented speeds through magnetic levitation, making commuting faster and congestion a relic of the past. As we transition to the era named the Aquatic Renaissance, from 2200 to 2300, humans establish thriving underwater cities, showcasing innovations in architecture and sustainable farming practices that allow for both habitation and conservation of marine ecosystems. The period from 2300 to 2400 marks the era of space colonization, as humanity sets foot on Mars and begins building colonies, driving technological advancements in space travel and creating sustainable life on other planets. During the cosmic expansion era, from 2400 to 2500, humans embrace their role as cosmic settlers, creating vibrant societies on Mars and beyond, while terraforming technologies reshape alien landscapes into habitable environments. In this final phase of human evolution, known as the Harmonious Convergence, from 2500 onward, humans develop sophisticated interplanetary relations, establishing peace treaties and cooperative projects to ensure the sustainable future of both Earth and its colonies. As humanity flourishes, the innovation of bioengineering becomes crucial in ensuring food security and environmental balance across multiple planets, allowing humans to adapt and thrive in diverse ecosystems. Cultural exchanges flourish during this era, where festivals celebrate unity and diversity, while education evolves through immersive technologies, fostering a new generation of thinkers equipped to tackle the challenges of an interconnected universe. In this time of renewal, humans actively participate in restoring Earth's environment, utilizing innovative technologies for ecological preservation, demonstrating a deep commitment to protecting the planet for future generations.